is the second of my video information blogs, so whether you're watching or reading, a very warm welcome to you. If you prefer to watch sooner than read, then go to my website www.comconsult.co.uk, navigate to the MentorEx page and click on the links to the video information blogs. Today I want to talk about just some of the legal aspects of exporting for business growth. Apart from staying within the laws of the UK on sanctions and not sending your prospects or services to territories to which they are banned, the area which has the most implications for the exporter is that of the appointment of the representative of your firm in the territory you want to export to. As I said in my last blog, that your agent uses the commissions that you pay as his livelihood, and to that end, as his principal, you have a duty to be responsible in your dealings with him. At present, we have to abide by the 1993 Directive Commercial Agents (Council Directive). It's an EU thing. The full directive can be found on the internet, but it lays down the rules by which you and your agent will sign up to. In the main, there is one overriding principle. An agent must look after the interests of his principal and act dutifully and in good faith, and the same applies to the principal, you. In the detail, the agreement, among other things, will define 1. The agency is exclusive or non-exclusive. 2. The term of the agreement. 3. The geographical area to be covered. 4. How the agent is to be rewarded. 5. What performance you expect. 6. What products or services are covered. What jurisdiction will apply in the event of a dispute or termination. On the latter point, now of course you will want your own country's laws to apply, but in some countries no agency agreement will be lawful unless it is governed by the laws of that country, so this point will need to be checked. There are templates for specimen agency agreements which you can download from the internet, but of course at some point you will need some advice from a lawyer skilled in international agreements in the UK and probably one in the country you're exporting to. The UKTI website is very helpful here and I recommend a visit. In addition to your agent or distributor agreement, you should also consider your intellectual property, your trademarks and logos, whether they are valid outside the UK. The Intellectual Property Office, which used to be called the Patent Office, has some very useful booklets and information. Check out its website on www.ipo.gov.uk. In addition to the Intellectual Property Office, there are a number of commercial firms who specialise in trademark and intellectual property protections, and they will be able to advise you on your best course of action to make sure you're properly protected in the UK and overseas. Now, if you have any questions, then please feel free to ask and go to my email fred.parker.mentorex@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Goodbye.